Hi everyone, we are a team of 4 members. We have developed an Android application and a smart wearable on AR-based archaeological museum. So without any delay, let's proceed seeing what this AR museum all about. So, first of all, it's important to know the significance of our ancient objects, artifacts, ancient materials, historical properties and its heritage. Now, let's see about various challenges and issues that are being faced by the museums in depth.
Archaeology is a source of essential data regarding the fundamental nature of human societies. Unfortunately, most of the archaeological places, monuments, antiques, statues, and its cultural ethical values are not known for today's youngsters, and eventually their moral is degraded. Also, the research scholar students studying archaeology face the major difficulty of collecting historical databases due to the lack of sufficient sources. Improper conservation and preservation practices in some archaeological museums have led to the destruction and loss of data and its collections. For example, 2nd BC Yakshi statue was damaged due to careless handling. Many architectural museums fail to engage audience. Management issues and lack of funding deters the upgradation of infrastructure of the archaeological museums. And all these issues becomes a barrier for the people to visit the museums.
An effective solution for this problem would be implementing a current technology in the right way. Augmented reality can be apt in case of a museum. This can be done by making the public interact with the AR glass that contains the right information about the ancient paths. AR can effectively reconstruct the path of archaeological studies through 3D augmentations, audiovisual graphics, text, etc. This represents the front end and back end working of the AR wearable. Over here, the mobile phone is used, which consists of sensors, camera, microcontroller, speaker, the memory, and Android version above 7. The inertial measurement sensor is used to detect the movement of the face and align the 3D image exactly for the view of the user. Using the depth and environmental camera, the environment is detected and the image target is properly recognized, and the 3D object, that is the 3D audiovisual graphical representation, is augmented over the real world. The designs from Maya are imported to the Unity, and the work of Unity is stored in the memory. And using the virtual interface option, the user communicates with 3D design in the real world. Here is a sample snapshot of our Maya work. Maya is a 3D computer animation, modeling, simulation and rendering software. So here we have used various tools like sculpting, ridging, edging, etc. to design the replica of the ancient tools. Unity 3D is the main part of AR. The 3D models which were designed in Maya 3D are imported into the Unity engine. Using C# code, the animation and the simulation of 3D models are done in Unity. The application is completely marker-based AR, which can be viewed with the help of a smart glass design. This is a marker-based augmented reality, and therefore The 3D models get augmented over the image targets, that is the physical marker present in the real world. Not only the 3D models get augmented, along with that, the contextual information about the ancient tools, the artistic objects also get augmented, thus enabling the user or the viewers to extract the information from the AR museum. This application is based on marker-based augmented reality. Therefore, there are fixed image targets over which the 3D models get augmented in the real world. So these are the various features of the AR wearable product. So the first is the 3D audiovisual graphical representation of the data over the real world. And next is the provision of a virtual interface option, thus enabling the user to interact with the wearable. And it is a portable device which can be carried over anywhere. And it is also contextual information aided, along with that the immersive experience. And the music effect is also provided. Some of the benefits of here. Here is the use case diagram of the product. Once the AR wearable is worn by the user, he or she has to focus on the image target. Once the image target gets detected, the augmentation process gets started. Here is the snap of the AR wearable glass, which we have developed using polycarbonate glass and mirrors. Over here, the glass and mirrors are inclined at an angle of 60 degree, and the focal length of the glass is +8, thus providing immersive experience for the user. So the glass is developed in such a way that there is a picture provision in which the phone can be fixed, and also there is a provision for wearing the glass. When the user wears it and views the image target, the ancient 3D models and the objects get augmented over the image target. Previously, we have seen about the AR glass and how it is developed, and now this is the view through the glass. This is how the 3D models which are designed get augmented over the image target. And over here we have the pictures of the Android application, and here is the 3D models that are augmented over the image target, and also along with that we could see the contextual information, that is the data about that particular a property or an ancient tool is given beside the application. So this is how it looks. So yeah, we have come to an end, and I hope this project, augmented reality based archaeological museum, seems to be interesting, and thank you all.